All right, guys, welcome to Kitchen Daddy. This week we are making a Kitchen Daddy Big Mac. You know this is just going to be absolutely amazing. So come on, let's get into it. Right, to kick things off, we're going to make the Big Mac sauce. So in a large bowl, we need 1, 2, 3, and 4 tablespoons of shop-bought mayonnaise. Next up, we need to have some relish, so some pickle relish. So we want to have probably about 2 tablespoons of that. And then we need about 2 tablespoons of French's yellow mustard. Okay, we need to add 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of granulated onions. Now let's add about 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, and we're going to give that a good mix together. Now guys, here's the important thing with this is you want it to be a little bit more on the acidic side, because if you think about it, when it's in the Big Mac, you've got to have it, cut through the fattiness of the meat, okay? So that's what we're looking for. So I'm actually going to add a little bit more pickle as well. A splash more vinegar. Okay, we're going to give that a good mix together. Now, let's get some cling film on that. We're going to get that in the fridge and we're going to leave that overnight to let all those flavors mingle together. So that sauce is going to be absolutely fantastic. Here we go, guys. Day 2, same shirt for nice continuity. So we are going to make our Big Macs. So the first thing we need to do is get our griddle pan on a screaming hot heat. And whilst we're trying to get that to smoking point, we're going to prep all the other ingredients. So first up, burger rolls. Now traditionally it should be a sesame seed bun. I've got these brioche buns which need eating, so come on, we're just going to use brioche. Now we do need to make it a triple decker, don't we? So just grab one bit of the bun and we're just going to cut off the underside of that. So there you've got that kind of beautiful bun to go in the middle. Next up, I've got some romaine lettuce. Now, we don't want any of the soft leaves. We want the lovely crunchy leaves there. So let's just finely chop that up. And then we need to finely dice a little bit of onion as well. And last of all, of course, we need to have some pickles. So we're just going to finely slice them. And now we can grab our burger patties. Now, guys, we're still going to make this a Kitchen Daddy burger. So we're going to make it a little bit sophisticated with these beautiful grass-fed Wagyu beef patties. Yeah, you know these are just going to be absolutely incredible. So the griddle pan is absolutely smoking away. So let's get our first patty on there. Now guys, don't forget, you've got to season your patties. Just a little bit of salt and pepper, which I've just mixed together in the bowl there. We're just going to sprinkle that over. We're going to leave that for maybe 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. You know it's ready to be flipped over when it can easily come away from the griddle pan. So we're just going to flip that over. That is starting to look great. We're just going to cook that off. Honestly, guys, just like cooking a steak, give it a prod, see how firm that meat is getting. You know when it's going to be done. So just keep flipping that over every minute, minute and a half. When it looks like this, you know it's going to be done. So let's get them off. We're going to cook all of those through and then let them rest for maybe 2-3 minutes, okay? Right, the burgers are cooked, the garnishes are done. Our sauce looks absolutely amazing. So let's build our Big Macs. Here we go, guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Never thought I'd ever be doing Big Macs on Kitchen Daddy, but you know when they're that big, I should pop that down my front because you know this is just gonna get completely messy. I feel like Guy Fieri on Diners, Drive-Ins and Dives here. So, okay, right, we need to give that a good squish. It's ridiculous, isn't it? Right, now we know why they make the Big Macs smaller in real life. Hang on a second, let's get that as, oh, let's see if we can even take a bite of this thing. Ready? Ah. Mm-hmm. Mm. It's a bloody Big Mac. How about that, guys? That's really good. That's actually really, really good. I'm not going to wax lyrical about it, but that is, honestly, it tastes like a Big Mac. How about that, guys? Let's have another go. Ready? Well, good grief. Okay. If I'm ever going to make those again, which I'm pretty sure I will, we'll make the patties themselves because evidently that's just far too big for anyone, even with a big gob like myself. Anyway, guys, get in the comments. Tell me if you're loving it. Give us a thumbs up, and I will see you next week, where we'll be making Kentucky Fried. No, we're not. Right, see you later. Take care. I'm going to try and finish both of these. Take care. Bye-bye.